Now we're going to attach the GB03 or GB04 gearbox to the carbon fuselage stick of the MicroScout. If we went through the holes in the side, we'd get straight through like you see here, whereas we want to have a little bit of down thrust, just like so. Now to achieve that down thrust, we can take our conical reamer or a 5-sided reamer and put it through the hole and start turning the reamer to enlarge the holes so that it will fit onto the carbon rod. Now when we're turning the reamer, we're not just trying to bore straight through, we are giving it a bit of an angle, so we're cheating the holes a little bit. We're going to get an angle that we like, and we're going to start beveling it down. So we're going to be wearing out more of the material on the bottom side of the rear and more on the top side at the front, just like you can see here. If we keep at that, we'll get more and more of an angle. And so we enlarge the holes and then refit it, do a dry fit, test it over and over, because you don't want to get the holes too enormously large. You just want them to get in there so you can put it on there and get some angle. And this is how you can adjust your thrust line. And on the MicroScout, we like a little bit of down thrust and a little bit of right thrust, like most models. So this is about what you're looking for the down thrust. You can see right here. I don't know how many degrees that is, call it 3 degrees. Now you can apply some glue to hold the gearbox together and onto the carbon rod as well. And then get some thin lubricant oil and lubricate on the thrust bearing and on the pinion gear, just like so.